What's going on, boaters? We just got in a fresh new trade, a 2024 Premier 230 Sunsation. This boat is a two-toon. This is in really good shape still. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the front, you're gonna have your two couches, lots of in-seat storage, super easy to get to. Coming to the helm, you have your hidden paper towel and trash bin, easy out of the way. You have your JL audio. This boat only has 236 hours on it, still has a lot of life left in it. I love this low profile dash with your magnetic glove box. Coming to the back, you have your L-shaped couch with your table. You're gonna have lots of room back here to put bags, floaties, whatever you wanna bring with you. This boat does have the changing room on board here in the back. And then in the back, you also have your easy battery switch right here. You're not having to ask anyone to get out of their seat to get to it. This boat is not gonna last long. You're gonna wanna come check it out at MarineMax in Nisswa or visit it on our website. Let's get you on the water this summer.